Right then, welcome to part 3 of the Pride of Longbridge. Starting off with this lovely ZS here, next to this MGF. Lovely cars, once again. And next to that, we do have a Morris Ital. Look at that, you do not see these very often at all. Which stood out to be quite a bit with this one. Really nice, that. Lovely. There's a TT here, this one came from G Kingsbury, Hampton. Oh, wow, there's a princess as well, or an ambassador. Nice 45 there, and 75. This here, this ambassador, it's lovely. Look at that, that's fantastic. Might even have to get a photo of that. So, back on with the cars. This is another 75 V8. It's come from Romania by the looks of it. That's a long way. Bloody hell. We've got a V6 here. Very nice. Another 75 there. There appears to be a few more 75s along this strip of field. We'll probably come round to them if we can, if we get time. We've all seen 75s now, I think. So we might even head up there and see what other oddities we can find. But before we do that, we've got this lovely 2-litre MG Maestro here, which is fantastic. And we've got a ZS next to it, of course, and 75 there. Lovely. But yeah, it's really nice. There's another Gold 25 here. Is this a GTI or is it a replica GTI? I've got no idea. Maybe a GTI. I'm not too sure if it is or not. Might be, might not. I don't know because all the seats have been changed and such. Another ZS next to a ZT. P6 and a P5B there. Way up. Is this a two-tone? It is. This is a two-tone 75 V6. These are really rare. Look at that. I don't know if that's been. I don't know if that's factory or if that's how it was. I don't know if it was factory or modified, but yeah, either way, it's something different, isn't it? I think we'll. There's a P4 over there, and with a P6 as well. But yeah, mainly just 75s at this point. As I say, I can't go through every single vehicle because it would be virtually impossible. But yeah. Thankfully, I had to empty out my phone of all the photos and such to relieve some of the storage, just so I could get all this in. So, yeah, this is usually where a lot of the minis are, which are quite nice. Credit to the owners of them. GT there, 1275 and such. Is that Mr. Bean Mini? No. But yeah, there's quite a few minis there, it's really nice. Oh, there's a Rover 200 coming down here now. We'll head over here. Some more minis. Another coupe there. The 200 there, R3 200. There's not a lot of 200 R3s here, I must be honest with you. There really isn't. I thought there would have been a few more than what there is. It's Japanese 200 coupe, so it'll be like top spec and everything. It's an FDH. Should have every single item checked on the list. Because it was a Japanese export. And then they came back because I think it's to do with regulations and such. Oh, it was a mini neon. That's like a special edition. Oh, look at that. Here is the old 200. the Morris Oxford there, the purple looking minivan, and a few unhappy dogs as well. It's nice as that. You remember me? Over here we've got a Rover 100 convertible. You don't really see many of them, do you? Oh, there's a Metro Turbo here. There we go, look at that. Crossing the field, crossing the bog. The Wolseley 1500 there. We've got a Morris Towel again. I like these. I do like the towel. There's a few Allegros here. Very nice. That one's very clean. Very tidy. There we go. Allegro Super. Not sure what this is, but it's very interesting. More Allegros here, there's an Allegro there as well. This is an Innocenti Regent 1300, which is quite nice to see, to be fair. So it's like the Italian Allegro, basically. Try it for claim. Lovely stuff. I like them. Honda based, but as I say, I like the Hondas as well. Really nice stuff. A little MGB there. A few these are, I believe, the Austin Nash. The Nash, I think it's called. Isn't it? I'm pretty sure. I'm not really too clued up with these, but yeah, this is more of the older stuff really. So Austin's Oxford. Oh, there's a Metro and also a 200 there. Oh look, that. It's alright, isn't it? It's a Maestro there. Cheese grater alloys. Cheese. Cheese. Land crab. Let's have a look at this SD1. Some more MG TFs there. I think we've literally skipped an entire range of TFs, but as I say, there's only so much we can go through. My legs are starting to hurt. Been walking around the field about 10 times. SD1, very nice. Lovely jubbly. Is that another OVR plate up there? I think it is. It's Germany, that one. Oh, a few German. Oh. Yeah, I think this is German bit. ZS there? That's, yeah, they must have come down altogether. Slovakia as well. Bimorphic green T. Hang on a minute, yeah, wait. That's an F, isn't it? It's interesting. I wonder where all the SD1s are at then. Oh, speaking of which, SD1 gone past. Random blast, that one. Yeah, not bad. Let's have a look at these 800s. Starting off with this one, there's a little 600 there at the end. Look at that. Ah, one from France there. I do like the early ones. That colour's lovely as well. That's lovely. I love the saloon. The early saloons are really nice. But yeah, they are lovely. Lovely stuff. So we're probably going to go and move up more upfield now. I do see another SD3. A little metro rolling downhill there. So there's more stuff over here. This caught my attention. Another Rover 216S SD3. Very cool. Lovely. Little mini there. Clubman. A few. Oh, this looks like the monogram stand, is it? I think. Yeah, monogram stand. Might do. Here we go. I think these are all the monograms. This one's lovely here. Not sure what. Ah, there we go. Garnet. Garnet, one of one. One of one. There we go. Here's a bimorphic green ZR, very nice. This is a Chatsworth 25. Celestial blue. Orange Grove. Can't believe I remember all these. Another Celestial BRM. The ZS ZR. Another Orange Grove TF. 75 at the end. There appears to be another gold 25. Look at this. There we go. Sienna gold. Huh. Different lights on that.
Not at the end of the silk.
Oh, the chap who owns this actually came over to me earlier to have a chat and stuff. So yeah, managed to actually come over and see it. It's quite nice. It's lovely. Saw this at Gaydon last year. So yeah, lovely stuff. There is another dealer sticker there. Longbridge. That'll come in handy. Some more 75s here. That looks like a monogram black colour, or is it a different colour? Oh, beige metro. Beige metro.
A lot more close up.
Let's go.
It's tomato orange.
Moon. Oh, it's some moonshines here. It's another Celestial there. The moonshine.
They're both reacting off at the same time.
Lovely. Probably one of the best colours. That's one of two built. So actually, in fact, that's one. That's two. Let's go. Lovely stuff. Very nice. It's auto and manual. Very nice.
So it's actually one of one.
One of one, yeah. One of one. Lovely. And we've got a ZT here. Trophy blue. Midnight blue ZTT there. Hey up. Look at this little metro coming. Good plate on that as well. Tell you what, the sun's coming out now. It's starting to get quite warm. Look at this. It's a princess. Very, very of the 70s. You know, very angular and stuff. And I do like the shape of that. It's really cool. Some more coupes and cabriolets, 75 ZTs. Aha! Gaff. I've seen that one before.
Oh, you took it over again.
600 there. Starting to get up, a bit more uphill now. You can probably tell I'm running out of breath here. 600 there, that's very nice. But yeah, some more. There's lots of monograms here, which is really nice to see. V8 and such as Orange Grove, and there's just loads of different ones. All the SD ones are up there, right? So we'll probably have a look at that in part 4. We'll see. But yeah, it's a bit more of a quieter side of the field. Those that are there. Another monogram there. That's a lot. As I say, I think every single monogram colour is really good in their own way. I like this, it's nice. 25 there. I think we're going to look at part 4. It's probably going to be the Metros and the SD ones and such and all that up there. So yeah, thank you for watching part 3, and we'll see you in part 4.